crate. You make it look easy. Dodging's great for avoiding enemy. Huh? So this route... Guess Datadyne security is getting smart to our... See the blue blocks? They're intrusion countermeasure electronics. Eyes to you and me. Hit the cursor when it's over the blue blocks to knock them out. Hit a white block by mistake and it turns red. Hit it again and it knocks you back a ring. Clear all the security rings and you take control.
What's she up to?
That's it. Well done. That did the trick. You made it, Joe. The CPU is dead ahead. Go!
Now I know how lab rats feel. Give me a second. I'll get the door powered up. Okay! Time to get out of here! Elevator's this way! I think it's this way!
Code Red! We got a Code Red!
Ew. Spider-Bot's trying to mate with the door switch. Shoot it and get out. Joe, grab some serious weaponry from the lockers up ahead.
Mayday! Mayday! R&R has been compromised! We need immediate evac!
I'm not closing this until Roger... I'm not leaving without him! Come on! Get to the elevator!
Get everyone out of this area! If there's anybody still alive, make for the deck! It's your only chance!
Hang in there! She'll hold! Don't you dare quit!
All units, we have identified the bomber. Target has breached the north elevator. Don't let her escape.
Tech's swarming with guards, Joe. Take them out from cover.
Come on, kid! This is all way out!
Automated launch sequence initiated. Please clear the deck of all non-essential personnel. GOC's going for launch! They can't shut it down! Locks inboard valve closed. 15 seconds. GLC handover. 10 seconds. Alpha engine start. Beta engine start. Charlie engine start. Engines start. 5